Bessy and Her Spinnin-Wheel by Robert Burns. Oh, leaves me on my spinning wheel. How I love my spinning wheel. This is in Scots. I'll go over the words, talk about the tune after I sing it. Oh, leaves me on my spinning wheel, and leaves me on my rock and reel. Frae tap tay that cleeds me bean, and haps me feel and warm at een. I'll set me down and sing and spin, while late descends the summer sun. Bessy and Her Spinning Wheel by Robert Burns. Oh, leaves me on my spinning wheel, and leaves me on my rock and reel. How I love my spinning wheel, how I love my staff and reel. My tools of my trade. Here we go. This is in Scots. I'll translate it for you after I sing it. Oh, leaves me on my spinning wheel, and leaves me on my rock and reel. Frae tap tay that cleeds me bean, and haps me feel and warm at een. I'll set me down and sing and spin, while late descends the summer sun. Blest we content and milk and meal, oh, leaves me on my spinning wheel. On ilka hand the burnies trot, and meet below my theekit cot. The scented birk and hawthorn white, across the pool their arms unite. Alike to screen the birdie's nest, and little in its callor rest. The sun blinks kindly in the biel, where blythe that turn a spinning wheel. On lofty aiks the cushats wail, and echo corns the doolfu tale. The lintwhites and the hazel braes, delected rival ithers lays. The craik amang the claver, the pairtrick whirrin or the laigh. The swallow jink and ruin my shield, amuse me at my spinning wheel. We smarty sell and listy buy, a bend distress below and by. Oh, I would leave this humble state for all the pride of other great. Amid their flaring idle toys, amid their cumbrous dinsome joys, can they the peace and pleasure feel? Oh, Bessy at her spinning wheel. Oh, how I love my spinning wheel. Oh, how I love my rock and reel. From top to toe that clothe me comfortably and keep me cozy and warm at evening. I'll sit me down and sing and spin, while low descends the summer sun, blessed with content and milk and meal. Oh, how I love my spinning wheel. On every hand The streamlets trot and meet below my thatched cot. The scented birch and hawthorn white across the pool their arms unite, alike to screen the birdie's nest and little fishes' refreshing rest. The sun shines kindly in the natural shelter, where, blithe, I turn my spinning wheel. On lofty oaks the pigeons wail, and echo cons the doleful tale. The linnets in the hazel slopes delighted rival one another's songs. The corn craik among the clover hay, the partridge whirring over the meadow, the swallow dodging round my shed delight me at my spinning wheel. With little to sell and less to buy, above distress, below envy, oh, who would leave this humble state for all the pride of all the great? Amid their showy idle toys, amid their cumbrous, noisy joys, can they the peace and pleasure feel of Bessy at her spinning wheel? The tune was published first in 1700. It was called Coes and Cole's Delight. Henry Playford's collection of Scotch tunes published in London. Burns had it from James Oswald's Caledonian Pocket Companion. And the title there was Sweet's the Lass That Loves Me, and that's the tune to which Burns designated the lyric, to which he wrote that. And the lyric is very much like a wheel. If you listen to it, it just stops here and rolls back down and starts over. So that's why he picked it. It didn't have any words before Burns wrote that to it that I know of. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe to my channel. Be well.